Welcome to publiccases.org, NASPA's experiential learning platform. Public Cases is an online repository of experiential learning resources that faculty can incorporate into their classrooms to enhance student learning. This video will take you through the publiccases.org site, showing you how to use the search functionality to find the right case for your classroom. On the homepage, you can conduct a basic search. On the basic search, you can search by keywords, policy areas, competencies covered, skills taught, authors, and funders providers. I'm going to search for finance policy area and budgeting and financial skills, budgeting and finance skills. Once clicking search, it has returned 12 cases that cover budgeting and finance. You can also do an advanced search by directly clicking the collection at the top of the page. The search on the collection page allows you to modify the search using and/or functionality. Let's do another search. In this search, I will pick the policy areas of advocacy lobbying or community development. This returns me 69 cases. If I'm looking for a case that has both topics, I can toggle the button too and see that 4 cases cover both topics. Seeing the options of cases, I can click through to the case. If you have any questions, you can contact us at publiccases@naspa.org.